Hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we understood what AI is and how AI is already part of our everyday life. Now, let's understand something very important. How is AI different from traditional software? Because AI does not work like normal programming. And once you understand this difference, many AI concepts become much easier later. So, let's simplify it step by step. Let's first understand traditional programming. In traditional software, developers manually write rules and instructions. The flow looks like this: input, rules written by developer, and output. For example, suppose we want to calculate salary tax. A developer may write rules like this: if salary is greater than this amount, apply 1%. Otherwise, apply another percentage. The system follows exactly what the developer writes. So, remember this. Traditional software follows fixed instructions. It only knows the rules developers provide. Now, AI works differently. Instead of manually writing every rule, we give the system large amounts of data. The AI learns patterns from that data. For example, instead of manually defining spam email rules, we train the AI using thousands of spam emails, thousands of normal emails. Then the AI learns patterns automatically. That is the biggest difference. So, traditional programming follows rules, AI learns patterns from data. Traditional programming works very well for clear and predictable problems. For example, tax calculations, banking logic, order processing, mathematical formulas, and so on. But AI becomes useful when problems become complex, unpredictable, or data heavy. For example, image recognition, voice recognition, recommendations, language generation, and so on. So, remember this simple mental model. Traditional programming, humans write rules, AI systems learn patterns from data. That single idea explains the foundation of modern AI. Alright, now we understand the core difference between traditional programming and AI. Traditional software follows fixed rules. AI learns patterns from data. That is the foundation of modern AI systems. But one important question still remains. If AI existed for many years, why did it suddenly become so powerful recently? That's exactly what we will understand in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.